From video 1, here we are, we're about to do the test. Like I said, we have the green medical sheepskin with the leather on the back. And we're going to time this and give it a 10-second boil, and we'll repeat the same with the white sheepskin. So we put that in and we start the timer. We'll keep this underneath so that it gets a full 10-second boil with the leather submerged. And when we come to 10 seconds, we'll stop that and we'll take that out. We're going to pop this in some cool water to cool it down so we can show you the end result very, very quickly. Now we'll just reset the timer. We'll go with the white sheepskin. We'll pop that in there and we'll give that 10 seconds as well. So we'll finish that at about 9 because we started just a little late on that, just to be fair. So we'll take that off at 9 seconds and we're going to take that out and pop that straight into the cool water as well. We'll let these cool and we'll be right back.